Get ready and learn easy. Welcome to Max channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And welcome class. So in this video we are going to see exercise 2.2 from polynomial. First question, 5th and 6th. So they have to tell us to find the zeros and coefficient of the polynomial equation. We have to find the zero and the coefficient and relate these two things. So a quadratic polynomial is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, and we need to find the sum of the roots and product of the roots. The LHS and RHS will become equal, then the relation will be satisfied, that is verified. Now see, in the 5th question they had given t square minus 15. So it's in the form of like a square minus b square. We have to write it as a square minus b square. So now we are going to write this equation as t square minus root of 15 the whole square. That will become as like as a square minus b square. And here if this root 15 the whole square, what this mean? 15 the root whole square means root of 15 into root of 15, that will give us 15. So this 15 can be written as root of 15 the whole square. Now t square minus 15 can be written as t square minus root 15 the whole square. Now it's look like a square minus b square. So a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So here for this t square minus root 15 the whole square is written as t plus root 15 into t minus root 15, and if we equating this to 0, we can able to get two roots, that is t plus root 15 is equal to 0 and t minus of root 15 is equal to 0. Now we can able to get the value of t. So t is equal to minus of root 15 and t is equal to root 15 plus root 15. So now we got these two roots. We have to assume these two roots as one is alpha, that is minus of root 15, and another one is beta, that is equal to plus root 15. Now in the given equation they had given that t square minus 15, and if we compare this equation with ax square bx plus c, we have this ax square and the constant, and the coefficient of x is not present here, so we have to make it as 0. Now it's equal to 0 means here the value of a, compare with this quadratic equation, value of a is equal to 1, and in the place of t square, that is coefficient of square, t square is 1, and in the place of b, that is x, we have 0, that is coefficient of b is what? Coefficient of x, and c is a constant, that is equal to minus of 15. Now we are going to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. So we have to find sum of roots and product of the roots. The sum of roots is alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus of b divided by a. Here alpha we found that minus root 15 plus beta is root 15, and now we have to substitute the value of b. B is what? 0 minus 0 divided by a is what? 1. So minus root 15 plus root 15 is equal to 0, and 0 by one thing is 0. Now the sum of roots is verified, that is LHS become RHS. Now we have to go for the product of the root is what? Alpha into beta. We have to find the product of the roots. Alpha into beta is equal to c divided by a. So c divided by a, alpha is minus root 15 and into beta is root 15 plus root 15. Now go for the value of c is what? Minus 15, and a is what? 1. Root 15 into root 15 will become 15, and here minus is there, so minus 15 is equal to minus 15. So hence LHS is equal to RHS for both the sum of the roots and product of the roots. Hence relationship between 0 and coefficient is verified. Hence, relationship between zeros and coefficients are verified. Now going for the question number 6, they had given 3x square minus x minus 4. Here compare this equation with the quadratic polynomial ax square bx plus c. Now we have in the place of a, that is x square coefficient is 3 and b is what? Their coefficient of x is minus 1 and c is what? Minus 4. Now we have to find the roots for the given equation. So here the coefficient of x square is 3 and the constant is minus 4. If we are multiplying these two, we are getting minus 12. We have to split this 12 into two terms. If we add up both of these terms, we have to get this minus 1, that is coefficient of 1. See here, if we put 3 and 4, 3 4s are 12 and we put minus here. If we add these two things, 3 minus 4 will become 1. So in the place of minus x, we are substituting 3x minus 4x. So 3x square, instead of minus x, we are substituting plus 3x minus 4x and the constant is minus 4, that is equal to 0. Now if we add these 3x minus 4x, we can able to get this minus of x. Here commonly take outside 3x and the remaining thing will be x is there and here 1 will be there, and here if we take minus 4 outside, we are getting the x plus 1. Now commonly take outside of this x plus 1 outside. So remaining things here will be 3x will be there and minus 4 will be there. Now equating these two is equal to 0. We are getting x plus 1 is equal to 0 and another one factor is 3x minus 4, that is equal to 0. Now here the value of x is minus 1 and the here value of x is this plus 4, minus 4 will go this side, so 4 and multiplication of 3 will come this side. Now this is what alpha and this is what beta. These are the two roots for the given equation. Now we have to verify the 0 and the coefficient relationship. First we have to go with sum of the roots. So sum of the roots are, this side these are the sum of the roots, this will give the coefficient of the polynomial. So these are coefficients, these are the sum of the roots, that will be equal, means we are verifying the relationship. Now we are going for the sum of the roots is what? Alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus of b divided by a. Here we get alpha is 4 by 3. You take whether this one is alpha or this one is beta, or else you have to take alpha and beta. So alpha is 4 by 3 and beta is what? Minus 1. So minus of b. We have the value for b is what? Minus 1 and divided by a is what? 3. Now if we multiply this into this, so we will get 4 minus 3 divided by 3, that is equal to minus into minus will become plus 1 divided by 3. So 4 minus 1 is what? 1 by 3 and this is equal to 1 by 3. Now these LHS and RHS are become equal. Now go for the product of the roots. So product of the roots means alpha into beta we have to find and verify, that is equal to c divided by a. So alpha is what? 4 divided by 3 into beta is equal to minus 1, that is equal to c. C is what? Minus 4 divided by and a is what? 3. So 4 into minus 1 will become minus 4 divided by 3, here minus 4 divided by 3. Now we are getting equal. So the LHS is equal to RHS for both of the sum of the roots and product of the roots. Hence the relationship between zeros and coefficient are verified. This is what we have to find in this question. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. This is what the final answer we have to write, the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Thank you.
Thanks for watching our channel. மறக்காம நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க அண்ட் உங்களுடைய கமெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் கொஷின்ஸை மறக்காம கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.